Philosopher here, and in this video we're going to see how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. The first thing we want to do is press Shift to open up the options in regards to the keyboard shortcuts. Here, if we get a little closer, we're going to see we have Selection, Go to, and Application. Under Selection, we have the possibility of navigating the documents, selecting them, or deselecting them. Here, under Go to, we have the possibility of going to somewhere, navigation, folders, items, details, or top toolbar. Down here, dealing with applications, we can display keyboard shortcuts as we just did right now, which was Shift. We can, well, it's actually first Shift ? So don't forget that. And then we have Show Hide Details, Search Drive. Up here, we can create specific documents. Under Menu, we can go straight to the menu options, and under Actions, we can open an item, rename, share, move, star, or show a document preview. Outside of that, we're going to see a couple of examples. First off, to get out of this panel here, we're going to click Escape. And then we're going to get closer to see how this works with ease. Here we have a little blue bar right next to the document. If I click on X, this will select it. Click on it again, deselects it. If I click on X and then I click on Shift J, I can select. Or if I deselect one and click on Shift K, I can go up again, as well as just using J to go down, K to go up, things like that. If I go back out, I can open up my Shift ? Panel again. I can see, let's see here, how could I select all of them? And I can go here and it says Select All Visible, Shift A, Clear All Selection, Shift N, Escape. So I can go over here and go Shift A to select, Shift N to deselect. So all of these are very, very good because it helps you to work a lot better when you're trying to organize your folders and files. Now, let's pretend that we're going to go in a document now and go here to an untitled document. How could we use keyboard shortcuts here? Well, these are going to be presented under the main options here above. If I go to File, for example, we're going to see that all of the keyboard shortcuts are going to be presented with these symbols here to the side. Just a quick note, this is the Command sign for the Mac. This is now the new Alt sign. Before it was Option, it's now called Alt. And this is the Shift sign, and then we have the letter. And all of these symbols are going to be used for other keyboard shortcuts within a Google document in this case. So let's go out. And for example, if we go to Insert, we're going to see that I can insert, for example, a comment using Command, Alt, and M. So we're just going to see an example of this. Let's say I'm in my document right here. I'm using my text. I'm just going to make this a little bigger so you guys can all see it. Okay, so let's say I'm typing away here at the end and I want to make a comment on this word here. I can just put my cursor there and then press Alt, Command M, and out pops the comment. I can say hi here, and then if I press Tab, that will automatically, over here, put a white border around the comment button. And so without having to touch it, I can press Enter then, and it will automatically put the comment. So if I move myself a little more here, if I go back here, do Alt Command M, again, pretty high, then Tab puts a white border around comment, Enter puts the comment in. And that way I can do the correcting much, much faster within a Google Doc. I also highly suggest that you read through all of these possibilities with the keyboard shortcuts so that you can take much better advantage of your time when you're working, because in the end, if you actually could study how much time you waste by using the mouse, you would be just blown away by the fact that just using the keyboard shortcuts, you can save hours a month in regards to all the work that you can do. So I hope this helps. Hope you can take advantage of it. Take care.